تذكر يوما كنت تعانق دمعة الفكر تناجي الله في صبر وترجو رحمة تسري فعاش القلب إخلاصا وصرت تحوم كالطير تحلق في ثقافات وتنهل من ربى الخير ترى ما زلت
Alhamdulillah, coming to the last video of the End of Time series. This topic is going to be about the fire. The last major sign to appear before the Day of Judgment is the fire, which will come out and burn from Yemen, come out from the Yemen, and gather the people in the place of their assembly. In the hadith of Hudhayfa ibn Usayd, regarding the major signs of the Prophet ﷺ said, at the end of which a fire would burn out from Yemen and would drive the people to the place of their assembly. Muslim. Narrated by Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu, the Prophet ﷺ said, the people will be gathered in three ways. 1. The first will be of those who will wish to have a hope for paradise and will have a fear of punishment. The second batch will be those who will gather riding, 2 on a camel, and 3 on a camel, or 10 on a camel. 3. The third batch will be the rest of the people who will be urged to gather by the fire, which will accompany them at the time of their afternoon nap and stay with them, where they will spend the night and will be with them in the morning, wherever they may be then, and will be with them in the afternoon, wherever they may be then. Bukhari. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
يكون الرجاء